normal person.
Olabika ng'omuntu atalina buzibu bwonna.
Musumba nze nafunamu obuzibu najja ne ndwala ekintu ku mugongo wano.
I got a problem. I got an illness at the back.
Genda mu ddwaliro.
But when I tried to go to hospital,
bakeberanga buli kimu tewali kirimu yadde n'akamu.
They checked me while I don't have any sickness. That's why I decided to come to Kawala, because I'm sure the God of Kawala heals.
Where do you have pain?
Obulumi obuwulirawa.
Where? Which side? Remove the shirt.
Jamu esaati.
Basebo ne banya bekigenda mu maaso.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on here?
Omwami azze mu maaso ga musumba.
This gentleman has come to Pastor Iga.
Ng'alina ennaku nnyingi agamba
He
alina
has deep
ekimuluma.
sorrow because he has terrible pain.
Essaawa zino ekiri mu kukolebwa.
What is being done right now?
Omwami aggyamu essaati atulage
This
ekiwundu
gentleman has
kye.
removed his shirt to show us what's going on with his body.
Katulabe ekimumazeeko
Let us see
emirembe.
what it is that has taken away his peace for all this long.
Wazaliwa bwotyo.
Were you born like that? No. How did it start?
Just jajja nga kitonotono.
It came
kizimba kati nengezaako kugezaako kwagala kitreatingira mu madwaliro.
It came like a rush, but I kept on swelling. I've been going to hospitals to get treatment, but it's still not changing.
Okutuusa we baakebedde nga buli kimu kyonna kirikirya ne mu lubuto wonna nga ndikirya.
And the last test I have, they checked me. I don't have any problem or any sickness, not even cancer. There's nothing that shows us whether it's coming from the vein or from a muscle or a bone. It doesn't show anything. So it's just there as you can see it. Then after that they say, why does Pastor Iga send them back? Video. A person does such a thing to your life. And then for them they be there praising themselves, hailing themselves. What did the doctors say? There's nothing they diagnosed. Now what is that?
Lideyo mu linnya erya Yesu.
Say each and everything that was done. I want it to go back to where it came from. I want it to go back to wherever it came from. Let it go. And to the person who sent it, let them go back to that person. Let the person also swell, such a swelling in the back.
Within 12 days.
But
on Tuesday, I want to meet you. There is something I want to tell you. You will get better.
Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Clap for Jesus Christ.
Say, oh Jesus, whatever witchcraft that my enemy sent to me,